Good evening, everyone. Today is a beautiful weather. It's a nice evening in New Jersey, still kind of summerish. So I decided to do my experiment for today outside, and especially I don't know what to expect. I mean, I hypothesized that it will be just like in lava lamp, an effect of explosion. So we'll see. So for this experiment, we're gonna need a bottle. We will need baking soda, and to tell you the truth, I tried this experiment and I used baking powder and it didn't quite work. I mean, it went up, but not up to the point that I expected. So we're gonna see if that works with real baking soda without any mix. And we're gonna need white vinegar, all right? So that's our base, it's our acid. All right, so first of all, we have to put our baking soda in the bottle, just like it was, all right, based on instructions. And we have to pour vinegar, that's all. Oh yeah, that's it. Woo! Volcano. There you go. So it did work, because with baking powder it did not work, because it contained other ingredients such as starch and everything else. So it's nice, it worked. Our volcano worked. So so vinegar is an acid and an acetic acid, and baking soda is a base which is opposite to vinegar. So we can see that carbon dioxide releases when vinegar and baking soda are first mixed together, as we could see in experiment. Hydrogen ions with vinegar in the vinegar part reacts with sodium and bicarbonate ions in the baking soda, and therefore the product of it, carbonic acid and sodium acetate. So the first reaction, it's an acid-base reaction. Acid-base reaction. Now the second reaction in this process is a decomposition reaction. Carbonic acid formed as a result of the first reaction and immediately began to decompose into water and carbon dioxide gas. So carbonic acid rises to the top of the mixture, which creates bubbles and foam. This is, it's an expected reaction. So why is it important in our daily life? In our body, on a daily basis, every moment, try to balance, to create a homeostasis in the body. It's extremely important to have a balance in temperature and pressure, in acid balance, base balance, so basically in everything. And that's how the world created. The world created in harmony. So our proper physiological functioning depends on a balance between the concentrations of acids and bases, as I said, and in the blood. That's very important. So our kidney and lungs help to maintain that process. In our body, kidneys excrete hydrogen ions into the urine and reabsorb bicarbonate from the urine. And why is it important? Because even a tiny shift from normal range can have significant effect in our health. Like, for example, acidic reaction can result in physical fatigue in diabetic patients. We are trying to balance an acid and base, so in the state of equilibrium between protons donors and protons acceptor. And in the buffering system, blood supposed to be in the range of pH 735 and 745, so it's not too basic or it's not too acidic. And that's why sometimes when we have a heartburn, we try to get rid of it by eating Tums that have baking soda, basically. All right, I hope you enjoyed my experiment and my hypothesis worked, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.